Greetings, and welcome to another episode on modern world dynamics. Today, we dive into an important discussion on panic attacks. Now, you might be wondering, why are we talking about panic attacks? Well, in our fast-paced world, where we're constantly juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities, panic attacks have become an unfortunate but common occurrence. Panic attacks are sudden episodes of intense fear that trigger severe physical reactions when there's no real danger or apparent cause. They can occur at any age and are not picky about whose life they disrupt, from the high-powered executive to the quiet bookworm. But here's the silver lining. Understanding these panic attacks is the first step to managing them, and that's precisely what we're here to do. So whether you've experienced a panic attack or just want to be prepared, you're in the right place. Stick around as we take a deep dive into understanding panic attacks and how to deal with them. So, what exactly is a panic attack? Imagine being trapped in an elevator. Now, imagine feeling like that, but you're just sitting in your living room. It's as if you're on a roller coaster ride, but without the fun and thrill. Your heart races like a horse in the Grand National, and your chest tightens as if an invisible python has wrapped itself around you. Your breath comes in short, rapid gasps, as if you've just run a marathon without any training. Your mind whirls with thoughts faster than a Formula One race car. And the worst part? There's no apparent reason for all this chaos. A panic attack can make you feel like you're losing control, or worse, that you're about to meet your maker. Some people even mistake panic attacks for heart attacks, and it's easy to see why. They share a lot of the same symptoms: rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, chest pain, and even a sense of impending doom. But here's the twist in the tale. Panic attacks, although incredibly uncomfortable and frightening, are not immediately dangerous. They're like a faulty car alarm that goes off even when there's no threat. Your body is sounding an alarm because it thinks there's danger, but in reality, there isn't. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that panic attacks are a walk in the park. They can be incredibly distressing. They can make ordinary tasks feel like climbing Mount Everest, and they can turn your world upside down faster than a gymnast on a trampoline. But remember, they're not life-threatening, and they're certainly not a sign of weakness or insanity. And here's something else to remember. You're not alone. In the United Kingdom alone, 1 in 10 people will experience a panic attack at some point in their lives. That's about 6 million people. That's more than the entire population of Scotland. Sounds scary, doesn't it? But don't worry, we're here to help you understand and manage these feelings. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you find our content helpful, do consider subscribing to our channel. It's as simple as clicking that little red button. That way, you won't miss out on our future videos, filled with the same comforting, affirming, and informative content you've come to appreciate. And while you're at it, why not take it a step further? You see, every video we craft here at Modern World Dynamics involves extensive research, meticulous scripting, and careful production. Your contributions, no matter how small, could make a tremendous difference in helping us continue to bring you these informative videos. Think of it as a way of saying, "Hey, I find value in what you do. Keep it up." Your support is not just about the money, it's a vote of confidence, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the power of community. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to our topic. Now that we know what a panic attack feels like, let's talk about how to deal with one. First on the list is deep breathing. You might be thinking, breathing? Really? That's your grand solution? But hear me out. When panic strikes, our breathing can become quick and shallow, which may exacerbate feelings of fear and anxiety. Deep breathing, on the other hand, encourages full oxygen exchange, which can slow the heartbeat and stabilize blood pressure, helping to create a sense of calm. Imagine you're a balloon. Each inhale fills you up, and each exhale lets a bit of air out. The key is to breathe in slowly through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Visualize the air filling up your body from your toes to your head, and then slowly leaving again. It's like you're inflating and deflating in a rhythmic dance with your breath. Next up, grounding techniques. These are strategies that help you stay present and connected with reality, rather than getting lost in your thoughts or feelings. One popular technique is the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Look around you and name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Let's say you're in a crowded shopping center when a wave of panic washes over you. By using this grounding technique, you might notice the bright colors of the clothing racks, feel the rough texture of a denim jacket, hear the chatter of other shoppers, smell the scent of a nearby coffee shop, and taste the minty freshness of the gum in your mouth. Last, but certainly not least, positive affirmations. These are statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. You might say to yourself, "I am in control. This feeling will pass," or "I am safe and secure." Imagine you're an actor on stage and the spotlight is on you. Instead of letting the audience's gaze make you nervous, you remind yourself, "I am confident, I am strong, and I can handle this." Before you know it, you're delivering your lines with conviction and the audience is hanging on to your every word. These are just a few strategies to help manage panic attacks. Remember, different techniques work for different people, so it's all about finding what works best for you. And let's not forget the power of humor. A good laugh can do wonders to lighten the mood and help you feel more relaxed. So next time you're feeling anxious, try picturing something funny, like a monkey wearing a top hat and riding a unicycle. Remember, it's all about taking control of the situation, not letting it control you. You've got this, and you're not alone. There's a whole world of support out there, ready and waiting to help you through. So take a deep breath, ground yourself, and remember, you're stronger than you think. Now here's something to remember when panic strikes. You're stronger than you think. When the tides of panic rise, it's easy to forget our inner strength, but it's there, waiting to be tapped into. And one of the most powerful ways to access that strength is through affirmations. So, what are affirmations? They're positive statements that we repeat to ourselves. They serve as personal mantras, helping us to refocus our minds from fear to calmness. It's like having a little pep talk with yourself. Let's dive into some examples. You might say to yourself, "I am calm and at peace." Simple, isn't it? But powerful. You're not denying the panic, but you're asserting your ability to remain calm in the face of it. Or you might say, "I am in control." This is a powerful reminder that you, not your panic, are in charge. You have the steering wheel, and you can navigate through this. Another great affirmation is, "This will pass," because it will. Panic attacks are scary, but they're also temporary. This affirmation serves as a gentle reminder that you've weathered storms before, and you'll weather this one too. Now here's the thing about affirmations. They're more than just words. When repeated with conviction, they can shift your mindset, and that shift in mindset can have a profound impact on your physical response to panic. It's like telling your body, "Hey, we've got this." So practice these affirmations. Make them your own. Repeat them when you're calm, and especially when you're not. They're your personal cheerleaders, your little beacons of light in the storm. Remember, affirmations are not a magic cure. They're a tool, a very powerful tool, in your toolbox against panic. So use them, believe in them, and let them remind you of your strength. Remember, these affirmations are your shield against the storm of panic. So that's a wrap on our discussion about panic attacks. We've journeyed through the unnerving maze that is understanding these sudden bouts of fear. We've discovered that panic attacks, though daunting, are a part of the human experience and are often a response to stress or anxiety. We've also delved into the realm of managing these attacks, equipping ourselves with practical tools and techniques that can be our beacon in the storm. From grounding exercises to deep breathing, we've got a treasure trove of strategies under our belt. And finally, we've explored the power of positive affirmations and reassurances. These are our safety nets, our reminders that we are strong, capable, and can conquer even the most formidable panic attack. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. Thank you for joining us today on Modern World Dynamics. Until next time, stay strong and stay calm. Greetings, cherished viewers. I trust you're relishing today's content. However, before we return to the main event, I've got a thrilling announcement. This interlude is sponsored by Modern World Dynamics. Yes, that's us, and we have an unbeatable proposition exclusively for you. We're on a mission to inject dynamism into your life, and there's no better way to accomplish that than with our exceptional online courses. Here's a sneak peek at a few. Perhaps you're aiming to elevate your dating prowess with our men's dating course, or you're keen to refine your attire with our men's style course. Rest assured, we've got you sorted. For those on the quest for a life partner, our How to Find a Husband course is a must. Conversely, if you're a duo seeking to solidify your financial stability, financial planning for couples is just the ticket. For those aspiring to carve out a digital niche, our courses like How to Build a Personal Brand and How to Grow Your Social Media are ideal. For a limited period, we're offering a whopping 50% discount on all our courses. Yes, that's half price. It's the ideal opportunity to embark on your journey to personal and professional betterment. Don't let this incredible offer slip by. Visit our website at www.modernworlddynamics.com and revolutionize your life today. Thank you for tuning in and for choosing Modern World Dynamics for your personal development voyage. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our courses, assisting you in navigating the modern world's dynamics. Now back to the captivating content you are enjoying. Until our next encounter, remain inquisitive, stay connected, and continue to explore the dynamics of the modern world. Cheers, everyone.